Can Mumbly, the mild-mannered master of the snicker, move quickly enough to catch the fastest jewel thief in the country? We'll be back in a flash, and you'll see.
The priceless Minerva medallion will be removed from the museum at precisely 1:02 p.m. Signed, Fleet Feet Fogarty. Ha! Big deal.
But Chief Snooker, he is the fastest jewel thief in the world.
Relax, pal. There's no way he's gonna steal this medallion. I have 100 cops surrounding the building. There's a police copter watching up in the sky. And my super SWAT team is on every rooftop in the area. If he gets past all those cops and touches this case, an alarm is sounded, and this entire room is sealed off.
Amazing.
It's exactly 1:02 now. So, where's that fast-mouthed Fleet Feet?
Oh no! The Minerva medallion is gone!
Impossible! Oh boy, this is all I need. It's that defective detective Lieutenant Mumbly. Get lost, Mumbly. I got the suspect practically locked up already.
Thrazzle, nice suit.
Oh, thank you. The wife picked it out for me. Knock it off, wise guy. This ain't a fashion show. Okay, Super Sleuth. You catch Fleet Feet Fogarty. And if you don't, you'll be pounding a beat. So make tracks and fast. Sometimes I get the feeling that mutt walks all over me. The Minerva medallion is mine. By the time those hick cops start looking for me, I'll be halfway around the world having lunch in Paris. Oh, waiter.
Oui, monsieur.
That voice. That snicker. That tail. It's that manhunter Mumbly disguised as a waiter.
Yep.
On your feet, Fleet Feet.
I got to shut in about a shrunken rat.
Ancient Greece, hundreds of miles from Paris and Mumbly, and a chance to admire the Minerva medallion. You!
Yup, taking you back.
Taking me back? Well, before you do, I recommend a roll through the ruins. A short jog over the Sahara Desert, into the jungles of Africa, and I'm safe from that relentless Flatfoot. Beat it, big mouth. You don't worry me. It's that Mumbly that bugs me. Mumbly! Of all the silly tricks, disguising yourself in this phony alligator costume. All right, Lieutenant, you asked for it. Hey, Mumbly!
Russin', fussin', son, rather fussin', bussin', Fleet Feet.
A 10-second climb over Mount Everest. A zip through Tibet. A hop, skip, and a jump over the Great China Wall. And at last, Shanghai. Once around the park, fella, whilst I catch my breath.
How's that fun? Yes, sir.
That rickshaw driver mumbled just like Mumbly. He even snickers like Mumbly.
Yup.
Get going, Fleet Feet. At least I'll get him off my tail long enough to escape. Send this package to Fleet Feet Fogarty in the USA and make it snappy.
We are now landing in the USA. Please fasten your seatbelts.
Success! I've got the medallion and Mumbly didn't get me. You'll never catch me, Mumbly! Because I'm headed for my super police-proof secret hideout! At last! The one place where I'll be safe. Even if he did fight me here, he'd be sorry. Every square inch of the desert is booby-trapped. And he couldn't blast his way in here with an A-bomb. At last, a chance to rest and admire my Minerva medallion. Mumbly!
Yup, taking you in.
Take me in! I give up! I give up! Take the medallion! Take me! I want to go to jail and get some rest!
Congratulations, Chief Snooker. Not only did you recover the Minerva medallion, but you caught the fastest jewel thief in the world in 17 minutes.
Ah, it was nothing for a great detective like me. Get lost, Mumbly. I got this case all wrapped up.
Son of fun, does he wrap him up a sooner fight?